In this video, we're going to look at the block editor for both pages and posts. In your site dashboard, navigate to Site, then click either Pages or Posts. Remember that pages are single standalone items, but posts can be grouped together if you add a category tag. Click Add New, and you'll be launched into the post or page editor. If yours is not a block editor, you'll find a button down here that says to switch to the block editor. The first block of every post or page is the title. After that, you can move below the title, add a block, or simply start writing. By default, the block after the headline is always a paragraph block. This allows you to start writing right away. However, if you want to add something different, you can click the Add New Block button here or here to add new content. This shows the Add Block menu that includes a search bar and commonly used blocks. Most used are at the top, and you can scroll down to find other blocks or type in a keyword. Each block comes with its own toolbar that appears on top of the block. The buttons in the toolbar change depending on which block you are editing. For example, the image block shows text wrap, and the text block shows text alignment, links, and styles. Apart from the toolbar, each block has its own block settings that appear to the right of the column. You can move blocks up and down simply by clicking the up and down button next to each block. One of the best things about blocks is that they can be saved and reused individually. Simply click on the More Options and add to reusable blocks. You'll provide a title and then hit Save. The block editor now saves this as a reusable block. Now that you've saved it, you can re-add that same reusable block. And there is a tab for reusable blocks. And there's our drop cap block intro. All reusable blocks are stored in your Wordpress database, and you can manage them by going to these three dots and Manage All Reusable Blocks. This brings you to your Block Manager page, and you can edit or delete any of your reusable blocks. You can also export them to use them on other WordPress pages. Each WordPress post contains a lot of metadata. This includes information like the publish date, categories, tags, featured images. We'll go over some more of these later, but I do want to point out that categories are how you group posts together. So if I wanted this to appear as part of my news writing posts, I would tag that as a news writing category. And so that is how you get started with blocks in WordPress.